Well, actually, I'm quite surprised about the weather. It's middle of the summer and it's only 15 degrees. But I am here for another stuff. They dried my favorite lake. Woohoo! Stay there. Time to time, it's really fun to make this kind of vlog. It reminds me of Mati Hapoya, but in my style. And I have a story to talk about you. This lake was built around 50 years ago for a power plant, so it's not a natural one, but I really like it and I made a lot of stuff with my drone in this part. It's a really great fun, great way to go out in the morning. Let's talk a little about my channel update. In this part of the year I am making a lot of weddings and also I have some commercial stuff. But I'm trying to keep a schedule and make at least 2 videos on YouTube per week. In the following videos I will have some really great products from Goods and MAURO'S. They sent me the new slide pod thing and it's a slide pod with a motorized slider inside. We shall have a really great deep look into it. And I'm also getting the Moza Aircross 2. It should be the great competitor to the Wee Lab. I am really hyped to test it out. There is also another thing. I will be at IBC 2019. It's in September, the 13th to 17th of September. It should be a really great multimedia show and you can find me there. I will be for 4 days in Amsterdam. By the way, in this vlog I'm using a new music service called Accurate Music, and you can make your music by your own. You can select the speed, the mood, the tempo, select the length of the music and download it. So you can have a completely personal music for your music vlog. The electric scooter that I'm driving is called Kugoo S1 and I'm really satisfied with it. Actually, it's my first electric scooter, so I'm not in kind of this scooter thing. But it's really great. It has a great 350 powerful watts motor with a handlebar that you can slide up or down, so if you're a little short or higher, you can adjust your handle to your needs. Also, it has a front and back headlight and a range of around 30 kilometers. Well, I am a little heavier, I'm around 90 kilos, so yeah, I get around 20 kilometers. But it's still a lot for a really cheap scooter. It's only about $320. On my first time driving the scooter, I broke the gas lever, but it's not a problem. I made a custom one all by myself until I get the original part that I already purchased. The Kugoo S1 weighs only 11 kilos and that's a really great thing because the competition is around 12.5 kilos. It's packable and portable, it's less than a meter, so your car trunk will be really fine and you will have a lot of space left for your other belongings. And another, by the way, if you don't have any accessories to keep your stuff, I am using the lens pouch of my Sony Zeiss 55. It's working. I think it's now time for a great thumbnail. Well, it's time to pack and get home. It's still chilly here. Hope you liked my ski helmet, using it with my scooter. I don't have anything else, so it's better than nothing. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video. And actually, there will be no vlog next time. I'm making a review of accurate music, so stay tuned. Have a nice day.